It's Saturday, February 24th.
I guess. Just pretend it's 25.
You can pretend. I'm pretty sure.
And down below, if you make it wrong, then just correct it down below.
I think you should just run the vlog.
No!
I can let you edit. Good morning / afternoon. Yeah, so it's Saturday. I'm going to take a shower because and I think I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm looking in the mirror, and I think instead of trying to revive some of these like frizzy, see that, dry curls, I think I'm just gonna wash it and start over. Anyway, I kind of wanted to remove all the product that they put in my hair when I got my hair cut. So I'm gonna take a shower, and then I think we're gonna go grocery shopping today.
No!
And I don't think we've ever brought you guys with us grocery shopping, so we usually go to BJ's and then a Trader Joe's. So I think that's what's gonna happen, but much later. The girls don't mind, the house is a mess. I really need to clean up. Okay, the girls are playing with their LOLs, of course. So we're about to go to bed. Today was a fail. We didn't leave the house. Yeah, no, we didn't leave the house. We just didn't feel like it. So we just chillaxed all day, and that's about it. Oh my gosh, he is alive. Okay, there's no way to put the camera. Alright, but I just wanted to show you guys. Yep. So that's how it looks. It's still a little frizzy. Like, these back parts are always see, frizzier and drier. Yep, so that's about it. Yeah, I can't really show you guys the back, but oh, yes, I can. There it is. This is not very straight. You guys see that? I don't know. I think it looks awesome.
I can't see if they see it.
I have to take some pics. Anyway, we're gonna go to bed. I think tomorrow Tim's probably gonna do the grocery stuff, and we have to get ready for school.
No. Don't remind me. I'm so angry that I have to go back to school is the worst.
You love school.
No.
You love it. It's just you have to get back into the groove.
Computers is the worst, actually. Computers.
Well, we'll talk about that on Wednesday when there's computers.
Oh!
Alright, let's go. Bedtime. I sent them to bed. Are they in bed? No. No. Where are they? You want to know? Where's the other one? Oh, ooh, she's in the corner. We need to, you guys gotta take a bath and wash the hair. Your hair is crazy.
Yes, I love washing my hair.
They're in their tent. There you go. It takes up literally their whole floor, but it's all good. Alright, let's go. It's bedtime. Lights out in 5, 4.
I'll take the easy route.
3, 2. Oh, Isabel went out the back way. That was quick, Izzy. She came out there through the back. Oh. Hi everyone. Good morning. It is Sunday, and yeah, it's raining again. Let me show you guys. That is what it's looking like, and this is like the 4th day in a row that it's raining. Anyways, there we go. Yes, today we're doing nothing again. Tim just left to get groceries. Excuse me, we decided not to go with him because of the weather. I'm about to get the girls in the bath. I have to wash their hair. I have to tidy up. What's going on up here? Yeah, I have to tidy up. I have to put some I have to break down boxes for recycling, and I just in general want to tidy up. And yeah, that's about it. And these Crocs make a very unattractive sound. I'm gonna take them off. The girls are in there playing with their LOL dolls.
I need thingamajiggy.
My thingy? What is that? Oh yes, that is to clean my face, but that's okay. And also my makeup brushes. You guys ready to take a bath finally? Jasmin, you ready for school tomorrow? Woo! She's been off for 10 days.
You should vlog my when I'm waking up and me getting up.
Maybe I will. Maybe I will film like a routine video, like what our usual routine is every day, because when there's school we do the same thing every day, every time. I mean at the same time. Yeah, maybe I will. Alright, let's go. It's bath time. Cutie patooties. Sorry.
Why are we sitting down for?
Because I'm going to fix our hair. Alright, so I got these cuties out of the bath. There's the other cutie. And here's the little one. And I always do her hair first because it dries fast. Look, it's already drying. Look how long her hair is. Hold on, let me show them. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that hair.
Look at
Look at the hair. No, you don't touch. So, okay, so we'll just do a quick little thing on how I do Isabel's hair.
Spread.
Isabel's curly like her mama. And it's already dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and re-wet it.
Okay,
Jasmine's gonna go ahead and do some. Let me show them.
Don't lose the page. Miley the mouse.
Miley the mouse. Brain.
No.
Is that her name?
Yeah, Molly.
Oh, Molly. Yes, it's for ages 3 to 4.
She's 4.
She sure is.
Okay. Find 2 things for wiping up a spill.
So I put a little bit of this raw shea butter, extra moisture detangler. I also use it as like a leave-in for her. There it is.
What is Molly's?
Yep. And I use about just that much. Isabel has very fine hair.
Missing for Molly.
She doesn't need much product, and this is quite thick.
For Molly.
Then I put a little bit. Oh!
What happened?
Where is it? I got it in my own hair. And that's fine because I use that in my hair. I put a little bit of the Diva Curl Super Cream, which is this one right here.
I feel like this was
And I use that much on her. That might even be too much for her, but it's okay.
It smells good.
Yeah, it does. Lastly, I will scrunch in some of this
Okay, so
100% organic argan oil.
okay,
It's
so
from Trader Joe's, and
the
it's
helicopter,
awesome.
this one, and lunch. That's what you
I
eat in the middle
just
of the
used
day.
like a
Lunch.
couple of drops because, like I said, her hair is fine. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it right there. In the front, she has these super loose curls. They're almost just wavy. And then in the back, that's where she has these ones.
Her bone bone.
They're a little tighter, so that's why we have to get a haircut. I usually get her hair layered, so that's shorter in the front. And then by the time it dries, it kind of just looks all even since these are a looser curl. But anyways, she's done.
Okay.
And she will air dry, and she air dries very fast.
Okay.
Next! Oh my god, this giant child. Hold on, you have to go down there. Sit back.
Okay, is
There she
he?
is. Okay. Okay, for Jasmine, I will also use some of this. Jasmine has a lot thicker hair. And I know you guys think her hair might be straight, but it's actually very wavy. And you will see when it dries up.
A kiss.
Really? I'm just gonna put some of this in her hair as well. Wash
Yeah,
day
you
is
got it.
easy. It's all the other days that are hard when the hair is dry and tangled. So,
Ooh.
oh crap.
Which one is used
Here we are.
on cutting wood?
Jasmine,
Which one?
stand up for a sec, if you can. Yep, that's about how long her hair is.
Okay.
Yep.
Show me the
She also needs a trim. And here's Isabel.
largest triangle. Show me the largest one.
Standing on my sofa. Sit down, Missy. Alright, I'm gonna finish cleaning.
Pancakes.
Bye.
are-
Look at their hair. Come here. Their hair is dry. I think it's, yeah. Yep. Well, Isabel's is about 95%. There's her boing boings, and here's Jasmine's beautiful hair. Work it. Oh yeah, hers is like 95% dry too. Okay, Izzy, let me see you do the thing you do. Woo! Stop making that noise, Jess. One more time, Izzy. Woo! No, you're good. That makes a lot of noise on the floor. Tim is bringing up some groceries right now. And I'm still cleaning. I have to vacuum this carpet here. And what else? Put the groceries away. Clean the kitchen. And then I'm going to go into the girls' room. Yeah, see. I got to put that away. What's this? What? We've never tried that before. What is this?
Ooh,
Yes, I love the, well, I haven't tried the raspberry yet. This camera is having a very hard time focusing. There we go.
This is so sour.
Oh yeah, he did buy the mango. See, we tried these and they're so good. So I told him to get the raspberry. I wanted to try it. Garlic bread, your favorite. Which he probably took out of the box because the box is so bulky that it comes out.
I want a corn.
Oh my gosh, she really wants corn. She loves corn, and Jasmin loves sweet potato fries. Put it on the table. I gotta take it out anyway. Oh, what is this?
What's more?
Fruit bars, raspberry, lemon, and strawberry. Something else we've never tried. Muscle man. Yes, more food, guys. Oh.
Yes, more applesauce.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, more oranges.
She likes oranges, guys. In case you didn't know that.
Bread.
Bread. Oh my gosh, let me tell them about this bread right here. Puerto Rican bread. It's from BJ's. This bread
is amazing.
is so good. Like with anything. Cold cuts, turkey and cheese, egg sandwich, or just with some butter. Oh,
We needed more yogurt. That means we could eat the rest of the yogurt.
green bananas. We got yogurt. Oh my gosh, I didn't mean for this to turn into a like show everyone what we got. Ground turkey. Izzy,
The cheese.
are you so happy?
We're not calling Boppy Tim.
For like the last month or so, they have not had that cheese. I mean, they've had string cheese, but a different brand, and Isabel said it was yuck. She likes that one.
This is
So make sure you thank Boppy, Isabel. We got some grand totals. So we spent $130 in $130.68 in BJ's and $89.91 in Trader Joe's. Did you say that's a lot?
No, that's cheap.
That's pretty good, and that's the stuff that we needed. That, like the garlic bread, we don't get that every week.
No, Special K, we don't get that every week.
Cereals we don't get every
Honey Nut
week.
Cheerios, we don't get it every week.
The cheese will also
Honey, we
last.
don't get
The
every
yogurt
week.
lasts.
Yeah.
Honey lasts. Yeah, these are things we needed. So that's about it.
TV. Foxy. Pixie. L. LOL. M. Can. Pink star. Shiny shoes.
Shiny shoes.
That's shiny shoes because his shoes are shiny. Okay, red tag is shiny shoes as pets. Belt.
Here you are.
Belt.
Alright. We just ordered some takeout, some Chinese food because Tim brought the home.
Blue
Tim brought the home. Tim brought the food home. Too late to start cooking.
Blue star.
Tomorrow Jasmin's back to school after 10 days off. You are not in school yet, but
this is
you will be.
This is our class.
So she's practicing for school tomorrow. Woohoo! Alright, girls, say bye to everyone.
Bye.
I'm gonna try to edit this video tonight. Oh, all over the lens. Okay, guys, so we'll see you guys in our next video, hopefully.
See you until we get another school party.
Woohoo! We hope you guys enjoyed your weekend, and we hope you have a great week.
Isabel's my assistant.
Okay, I'm trying to close out, and you guys just keep talking. Bye.